Okay, question 1 wants us to find the product moment correlation coefficient for this set of data here, and they've given us the summary data. So you've got two options here. You can use the calculator functions, and I've done a video on how to use the functions on your calculator to quickly work out R. But I would only really use that as a checker. I wouldn't use that as the primary method. Or use the values of SXY, SXX and SXY to then use the R formula. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that method. So I'm going to start by finding SXX, which from your formula booklet or just from your own knowledge, you should know is going to be the sum of x squared, so 476, minus the square of the sum of the x's, so minus 56 squared, over n, so over 7. If you work that out on your calculator, that's 28. We need SYY as well, which is going to be the sum of the y squared values, so that big number there, 1, 2, 4, and be careful when typing this number in, it's easy to make a mistake on the bigger numbers, minus the 935.2 squared, over 7 again, so that's 0.62, and then SXY is the sum of the xy values, so that minus these two numbers times together, 56 times 935.2 over 7 again. Ooh. And that one is 4. So we've got SXY, we've got SXX and SYY. R is then equal to the SXY value divided by the square root of SXX times SYY. So that's going to be 4 over the root of 28 times by 0.62. And we're expecting a number between -1 and 1. If you get a number bigger than 1 or smaller than -1, you've made a mistake. So I'm getting 0.960 to 3 significant figures. Always round your answers to 3 significant figures. So that doesn't count this first 0. So we need 3 numbers when we start counting at our first non-zero number.